for today. I'm playing Roblox and I'm Chicken Nugget Boy again. Hey, look at all the girls. Hey, I don't like that girl. This is the one, but it's small. Ew. So we need a car. Of course, we need a car. So we could not, we could not walk. Wow, English. Not all English. Ay, ay, astig tingnan nyo guys. Di nyo ito alam sa Brookhaven, o. Tingnan mo, o, diba? Pag ma-stack up, diba, jump mo na lang.